Good morning to all of you. Government Degree College, Shantinagar, Jogulamba, Gadwal District, Department of Mathematics. Name of the lecturer P. Raghavendra. Today we are going to discuss the topic linear line integral definition and problems. In last class we discussed in vector calculus, scalar, vector and cross product and dot product definitions and problems. Here today we discuss line integral definition and problems on line integral. Now definition of line integral. Let R is equal to f of t is a curve C of line joining from the points A to B and differential rectifiable at the point P belongs to C is ds, and tangent unit vector at the point C on the curve C is denoted by capital T, defined by dr by ds is equal to T. A vector field function fr is defined on a curve C and the tangent direction at the point P, the value is f of r dot into t. So the line integration f of r dot t into ds is a line integral of a f on a curve C. It is denoted by integration a to b f dot t ds is equal to integration f dot, here t is equal to dr by ds. By substituting f dot dr by ds into ds is cancelled. Integration under the curve C f dot dr. Here the curve is like this, and this is a curve C, and this is a function. This is a function, point function, that is f of t, and point A and B. Here we taken point A and B. Here in the curve AB I am taken the point here P. For this P, at the point P I drawn a tangent. The tangent is T. The tangent T is dr by ds at that point P. Then I am going to calculate the line integral a to b. For this line integral we have the formula integration a to b f dot of t ds that is equal to integration the curve C f here t value is tangent, the t value is dr by ds. Here ds is cancelled. We get to integration f dot dr. Okay, now I am going to discuss the problems on line integral. Okay. Now the problem: find line integral of u is equal to xy comma z square comma x, where x is equal to 1 plus t, y is equal to 0, z is equal to t square. The t values between 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 3. Here we have to find the line integral. For this the solution is the given vector field. The given vector field u is equal to xy comma z square comma x, and the curve is given x is equal to 1 plus t, y is equal to 0, z is equal to t square. The t lies between 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 3. Here the position vector r bar is x comma y comma z. Say Here x value is 1 plus t and y value is equal to 0 and z value is equal to t. In substituting x, y, z value in position vector, r bar is equal to 1 plus t, comma 0, comma t square. By differentiating position vector, differentiation with respect to t, we get to dr by dt. First 1 plus t, by doing differentiation with respect to t, we get to for one value 0 and with respect to t, by doing differentiation we get to 1 and for 0 we get 0 and t square 2t. Therefore the position vector dr by dt, by differentiating the position vector dr by dt is equal to 1 0 2t and we get dr is equal to 1 comma 0 comma 2t into d. Here u is equal to given integral is given vector u is xy comma z square comma x. Here we have the x value, 1 plus t and y value 0 and z value t square. Substituting these xy values here I am discussing. Here u is equal to the vector field. The u is a vector field xy comma z square comma x. Here x value, y value, z value is given. These x, y, z values must be substitute in the given vector field. We get here x is equal to 1 plus t, y is equal to 0, z is equal to t square. By substituting we get to 1 plus t into 0 comma z square. Here z square means z is equal to t square, we get z square means t power 4 comma here x is equal to here x value is 1 plus t, then we get 1 plus t. Therefore u value, the vector field value we get to in substituting the x, y, z in t values we get to 0 comma t power 4 comma 1 plus t. By doing dot product by position vector and given vector, by doing the dot product, u is the vector and dr be the position vector. By doing dot product we get to u dot dr is equal to u value 0 comma t power 4 comma 1 plus t dot 1 comma 0 comma 2t dt. By doing dot product we get 0 plus 2t 1 plus t into dt, that is equal to 2t into 1 plus t dt. Then we get this value 2t plus 2t into 1 plus t dt. By formula we have line integral formula, we have this one, integration under the curve u dot dr is equal to, here the t values is lies between 0 to 3. For this I am taking the integration between 0 to this one, here integration 0 to 3 and substituting this value 2t into 1 plus t, by multiplying we get to 2t plus 2t square into dt. By integration we get t into t square by 2 and taking limit 0 to 3, this one taking limit 0 to 3 and 2t square. By doing integration we get to 2 into 2 cube by 3. By substituting the limit value 0 to 3 we get to 9 plus 2 by 3 into 27, that is equal to 27. Therefore the above given problem, the line integral of given vector u and the position vector r, we get the value is 27. Now second problem. Find the line integral of f. Here f be the given vector field. F is equal to 5z square comma 2x comma x plus 2y, where x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t square. This t values lies between 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. Here given vector field f is 5z square comma 2x comma x plus 2y and the given curve and the given curve x is equal to t and y is equal to t square, z is equal to t square, and this t values lies between, this t value lies between 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. Then we have the position vector. That position vector r is equal to x comma y comma z. Substituting the xy values, here xy values is given. Substituting the position vector, we get x is equal to t and y is equal to t square and z is equal to t square. By doing the differentiation for position vector with respect to t, we get to dr by dt we get that is equal to, by differentiating with respect to t we get 1 and t square 2t and another t square we get to 2t. Therefore the differentiation of position vector with respect to t we get to dr by dt is equal to 1 comma 2t comma 2t, and writing this one, dr is equal to 1 comma 2t comma 2t into dt. Then we have the vector f is equal to 5z square 2x comma x plus 2y. By substituting the x in t, here x value is t and y value is t square and z value is t square. Substituting the x, y, z values in f, we get to f is equal to 5 t power 4. Here z square is given, z value is t square and z square means we get to 5 into t power 4 comma, here 2x is given, here we get x value is t, x value is substituting 2 into t we get to 2t, and here x plus 2y, here x plus 2y, here x value is t and y value is t square, we get to t plus 2t square. Then we have f value is equal to 5 t power 4 comma 2t comma t plus 2t square. And by doing the dot product given vector and with position vector, we get f dot dr is equal to 5t power 4 comma 2t comma t plus 2t square dot 1 comma 2t into dt. By doing dot product, we get to 5t power 4 plus 4t square plus 2t square plus 4t cube dt. Then we have integration under the curve f dot dr is equal to, here the t value is varies from 0 to 1. I am taking the limits value, integration 0 to 1 5t power 4 plus 6t square plus 4t cube dt. By doing the integration, we get to 5 into integration of t power 4, we get to t power 5 by 5, and taking the limit 0 to 1 plus 6 into, by integration t square we get to t cube by 3, and applying the limit 0 to 1 plus and 4 into integration t cube we get to t power 4 by 4, and applying the limit value 0 to 1 we get the value that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1 that is equal to 4. Then we have the line integral value above given vector and position vector, we get value is 4. This one we get the value is 4. Now another problem. Find the line integral of the vector field. Here the vector field is given, u is equal to y square comma x comma z. Along the curve is given, z is equal to y is equal to e power x from x is equal to 0 to 1. Here the vector field u is y square comma x comma z, this one. Here the vector field is y square comma x comma z, and the curve is given, x is equal to e power x and y is equal to e power x, means z is equal to y is equal to e power x. The limit values varies from x is equal to 0 to 1. Now the given this one. Now given vector field u is equal to y square comma x comma z, that can be written in the y square given that is can be written in the vector field. That vector field is y square into I plus x into j plus z into k. Now the position vector r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Then dr is equal to the dxi comma dxi plus dyj plus dzk. By doing u dot dr we get y square I plus xj plus zk dot dxi plus dyj plus dzk. By doing dot product we get y square dx plus x dy plus z dz. Here the value is given. X is equal to here y is equal to e power x and z is equal to e power x. Substituting the values in this equation, above equation, we get this one. Y is equal to given y is equal to e power x. By doing differentiation we get dy is equal to e power x dx and z is equal to e power x. By doing differentiation this one, z is equal to e power x. By doing differentiation we get to dz is equal to e power x into dx. Substituting these values, x value, z value, y value and dx value, dz value and dy value, substituting the above equation we get u dot dr is equal to here y square means here y is equal to e power x. We get to e power 2x dx and plus x into e power x dx plus e power x dx into ex. Substituting y is equal to e power x value and z is equal to e power x value and dy is equal to e power dx value and dz is equal to e power x dx value. Then we get the value e power 2x into dx plus x into e power x dx plus e power x into dx into e power x. By substituting we get to taking a dx as a common, we get to 2 into e power 2x plus x into e power x dx. Then we have the line integral. In line integral we get the formula. We have the formula integration under the curve c u dot dr is equal to, here the limits values is given x is equal to 0 to 1, taking x is equal to 0 to 1, 2 into e power 2x plus x into e power x dx. By doing the integration we get to 2 into e power 2x by 2 is cancelled and taking the limit value 0 to 1 plus here x into e power x. By doing the UV method integration we get x into e power x limits value 0 to 1 minus integration 0 to 1 e power x dx. By substituting these values, substituting the limit values in the above integration we have e square minus 1 plus 1 into e minus e power x limit value 0 to 1, we get to e square minus 1 plus e minus e power 1 plus 1 is cancelled and e cancelled, we get to e square. Therefore above given problem, the line integral answer we have e square. Now another problem. Find the circulation of a vector f is equal to y comma minus x comma 0 around the unit circle x square plus y square is equal to 1, z is equal to 0, taken in an anti-clockwise direction. Here the vector is given. The vector f is equal to y comma minus x comma 0 and the unit circle is given. The unit circle must be x square plus y square is equal to 1, z is equal to 0, taking as a anti-clockwise direction. Here given vector f is equal to y minus x comma 0, that it can be written as yi minus xj plus 0 into k. Here the dr is equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Here f dot dr, this is f value, this is dr value. By doing dot product f dot dr we get to y dx minus x dy. Here y dx and x dy and the given circle, here given circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. In this I am taking x is equal to, by substitution method we solve by taking x is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sin theta, we get dx by d theta. this one, taking x is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sin theta. By doing differentiation both sides, we get the dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta. Then we write to dx by d theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, dy by d theta is equal to cos theta. Then I am taking the line integral formula, that is integration c f dot dr is equal to here the in circle the values is variation from 0 to 2 pi. I am taking this one, the values in integration the unit circle, the values is varying 0 to 2 pi. Then I am taking integration 0 to 2 pi y dx minus x dy, this value I am substituting, this value y dx minus x dy, integration 0 to 2 pi. I am substituting this x value and y value and dx value and dy value. We get to that is this one integration 0 to 2 pi sin theta minus cos theta d theta, and here sin minus sin square theta minus cos square theta, taking minus as a common. Then we get integral sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Then taking minus as a common, that is equal to minus integration 0 to 2 pi 1 into d theta, and for integration of 1 d theta we get theta, taking minus as a common, minus theta to minus theta limits value 0 to 2 pi. By substitution we get to minus 2 pi. Now another problem, this one. Find the line integral of f is equal to y minus x comma 0 along the curve constituting of two straight line segments. First one, y is equal to 1, 0 less than x less than 1. Here b, x is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2. Here two line segments is given for same vector. That vector f is equal to y comma minus x comma 0, and the value is varying. For in first y is equal, in line segment y is equal to 1, the x value lies between 0 to 1. Then second one, x is equal to 1, the y value is varying 1 to 2. Now the solution is given vector field that f is equal to y comma minus x comma 0, that it can be written in general form yi minus xj plus 0 into k. Now dr, that dr is equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Then I am taking f value and dr value by doing dot product f dot dr, this f value and this dr value. By doing the dot product f dot dr, we get to y dx minus x dy, Then the curve c1, for I am solving first y is equal to 1, I am taking curve c1, then y is equal to 1, the y value lies here, x value lies between 0 to 1, and by doing the differentiation we get to dy by dx is equal to 0, means dy value is equal to 0. Here the integration under the curve f dot dr is equal to the x values lies between 0 to 1, taking integration 0 to 1 y dx minus x dy. Here dy value is 0. By substituting this dy value we get to 0, means integration 0 to 1 dot dx minus x into 0, that is equal to integration 0 to 1 dx. By doing integration we get to integration 0 to 1 dx, we get to x, taking as a limit value 0 to 1, we get the answer 1. Similarly for same vector integral, then we have to follow the x is equal to 1 and the y values lies between 1 to 2. Same, the curve C2 and x is equal to 1. Same, by doing the integration both sides we get to dx by dy is equal to 0 and dx is equal to 0. The y values lies between 1 to 2. I am taking f dot dr. Here f dot dr value is this one, y dx minus x dy. Here dx value is 0. By substituting the integration 1 to 2 y into 0, this one integration 1 to 2 y into 0 minus 1 into dy, that is equal to minus, taking as a minus common, minus integration 1 to 2 dy. By doing the integration we get minus y, taking limits 1 to 2 we get that is equal to minus 2 in minus 2 minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore the line integral values for first case, for line integral given vector field by two conditions we get the line integral. First one that is equal to 1 and the second one that is equal to minus 1. Here another problem. If f is equal to, here f is equal to 2x square plus y square comma 3y minus 4x comma 0. Evaluate under closed curve, integration closed curve f dot dr around the triangle is given capital ABC, whose vertices are capital A is equal to 0 0 and capital B value 2 0 0 and capital C value 2 1 0. Now we have to find out the line integral. For this line integral, given that f is a vector, that f is equal to this one, that f is equal to 2x square plus y square 3y minus 4x comma 0, and here C be this one, here this C be the curve, here the C be the curve around the triangle ABC. Now whose vertices, for a given triangle the vertices capital A 0 0, capital B 2 0 0, capital C 2 1 comma 0. Then we have the formula integration under the curve f dot dr is equal to integration AB f dot dr plus integration BC f dot dr plus integration CA f dot dr, that is equation 1. And I have drawn the triangle. This one, the triangle ABC. For A we have the vertices 0 0 and B 2 0 0 and the C the coordinates is 2 1 0. And now I am calculating the line integral. For line integral I am taking first this one, A to B, then B to C, then this one. I am taking A to B line integral and B to C and C to A. By totaling A to B and B to C and C to A, by adding these A to B and B to C and C to A, then we get the line integral of the curve. First I am taking along this AB. In this AB the vertices is for A 0 0 and vertices of B 2 comma 0 0. Here y value and z value, z value is same. Here in this A coordinate we have the x value is 0 and in B coordinate we have x value is 2. Therefore I am taking y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Here in capital A the coordinates this one. By observe this capital B and capital B coordinates 0 0 and 2 comma 0 0. In this coordinates A and B, in this vertices A and B, the coordinates are here x value is 0 and B. In the B x value is 2 and A, capital A, the coordinate y is 0 and capital B y coordinate is 0 and capital A the z coordinate is 0 and capital B z coordinate also 0. Therefore in capital A and capital B the coordinate of y and z is 0. Therefore I am taking y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. This is fixed. Now along AB y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. By doing differentiation, we get dy is equal to 0 and dz is equal to 0. Here in the coordinate AB, the x values is varies from 0 to 2, means this one in coordinate A and in coordinate B, the x value in A is 0, the x value in B is 2. Therefore the x is varies from 0 to 2. The x is varies from 0 to 2. By this I am doing integration. The curve AB f dot dr is equal to integration 0 to 2. Here I am writing f value 2x square plus y square I plus 3y minus 4x into j plus 0 into z, and dr value dxi plus dyj plus dzj. By doing dot product, we get integration ab f dot dr integration 0 to 2. By substituting this value, this value means y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, dy z value 0. By substituting in the above, by doing dot product and substituting the y value, z value, dy value, dz value, we get by 2x square into I plus minus 4x into j, 0 into z, dx into I. By doing dot product, we get that is equal to integration 0 to 2 2x square dx, that is equal to doing the integration 2x square, we get the 2 into x cube by 3, and applying the limit value 0 to 2, we get to 2 into 2 cube by 3, that is equal to 2 into 8 by 3, that is equal to 16 by 3. Here the line integral of AB value, we get to 16 by 3. Similarly I am taking BC. Similarly I am taking this one BC value, follow the same value. Then following taking as a along BC, x is equal to 2. Here in this one here x value is fixed. Here in this coordinate B, x value is 2, and coordinate C, x value is 2, and the y coordinate is in B y is 0, and in C y is equal to 1, and in B z coordinate is 0, and in C z coordinate is 0. Therefore I am fixing the value x is equal to 2 and z is equal to 0, and y is variating 0 to 1. So I am taking x is equal to 2 and z is equal to 0, then y is variating 0 to 1 in BC line integral. Along BC, x is equal to 2, z is equal to 0, and by doing the differentiation, we get to dx is equal to 0 and dz is equal to 0, and y is varies from 0 to 1. I am taking integration BC f dot dr is equal to integration 0 to 1, and f value 8 plus y square into I plus 3y minus 8j into dyj. By multiplying by dot product, taking dot product, we get to integration 0 to 1 3y minus 8 into dy. By doing the differentiation with respect to, by doing the integration with respect to dy, we get to 3 into y square by 2 minus 8y. Applying the limits 0 to 1, we get to 3 into 1 by 2 minus 8 into 1, that is equal to 3 by 2 minus 8, that is equal to minus 13 by 2. This is a BC line integral value. Now I am calculating another line integral, that is C into A. In C into A, the x value is variating from 2 to 0, and y value is variating from 1 to 0, and z value is 0. Here z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0, and y value is variating 1 to 0, and x value is variating is 2 to 0. Now I am taking along CA the equation of the line. I am taken x by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 0. That is x by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 0. Then we can write x is equal to 2y by this, by by using this we get x is equal to 2y and z is equal to 0. Therefore we get x value in x place we have to write 2y and z place we have going to write 0. Taking integration CA f dot dr is equal to, and the limit value is integration 1 to 0 2 into substituting the in x is equal to 2y value and z is equal to 0, we get to 2 into 2y square plus y square into I plus 3y minus 4 into 2y into j plus 0 into k 2 dy I plus dy j plus 0 by multiplication by dot product we have integration 1 to 0 18y square minus 5y into dy. By doing integration we get to 6y cube minus 5y square by 2, the limits value 1 to 0, and substituting these limits value we get 0 minus 7 by 2, that is equal to minus 7 by 2. Then the line integral of the triangle by substituting these values in equation 1, then we get the integration f dot dr is equal to integration AB curve f dot dr plus integration f dot dr BC curve plus integration CA curve f dot dr. We have then substituting these values 16 by 3 minus 13 by 2 minus 7 by 2, then we get minus 14 by 3. This is integration f dot dr is equal to minus 14 by 3. This is a line integral of the given triangle ABC. Now another problem. Find the circulation of the f around the curve C, where f is equal to 2x plus y square into e1 plus 3y minus 4x into e2, and C is the curve where y is equal to x square from 0, 0 to 1, 1, and the curve y square is equal to x from 1, 1 to 0, 0. Here the given vector, this one, the given vector is f is equal to 2x plus y square into e1. Here e1 means I and e2 means j and e3 means k. Then given vector f is equal to 2x plus y square e1 plus 3y minus 4x into e2, and the curve C is have y, when y is equal to x square, the limits value is 0, 0 to 1, 1, and the curve y square is equal to x, then we have the limit value 1, 1 to 0, 0. Then we have to find the line integral. For that line integral we have divide the curve, divide the curve C as to C1 and C2. The curve C is divided into two parts, that is C1 and C2, so that C1 is the curve y is equal to x square. For y is equal to x square, I am taken as a C1 as a curve, and from 0, 0 to 1, 1, and taking y square is equal to x, another curve, that is C2, and the limit value from 1, 1 to 0, 0. Then we have to find the line integral. Integration the curve under the curve f dot dr is equal to integration c1 f dot dr plus integration c2 f dot dr. By seeing the diagram, here x-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and I am drawn the y is equal to x square, and y is equal to x square. This one, y is equal to x square and y square is equal to x in two curves. The two curves is intercept at a point D, and the point O2D is this direction, and B2 and D2O is this direction, means C1 is above and C2 is below direction. By seeing this, by observing this diagram, I have solved the problem. Let for C1 y is equal to x square, so that by doing differentiation we get dy is equal to 2x dx. It varies from 0 to 1. Then we have f is equal to 2x plus xy e1 plus 3x square minus 4x into e2. Here the position vector dr, the position vector r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. By doing dr is equal to dx e1 plus 2x dx e2, 2x dx e2. Then integration c1 means curve c1 f dot dr is equal to the limit value is integration 0 to 1 2x plus x power 4 dx plus 3x square minus 4x 2x dx. Here by doing this f value, this is f value, this is dr value, by doing dot product we get this value. We get this value 2x plus x power 4 dx plus 3x square minus 4x 2x dx. Then the dot product value is this one, 2x minus 8x square plus 6x cube plus x power 4 dx. By doing the integration with respect to x and taking as a limit 0 to 1, we get 2 into x square by 2 minus 8x cube by 3 plus 6x power 4 by 4 plus x power 5 by 5. Taking limit 0 to 1, by substituting we get 1 minus 8 by 3 plus 6 by 4 plus 1 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 30. Then calculating the curve C. Then I am calculating the curve C2, that is equal to x is equal to y square and dx is equal to 2y dy. Here y is varies from 1 to 0. Then f is equal to 2y square plus y square e1 plus 3y minus 4y square into e2. Here I am substituting in x value is y square and dx value is 2y dy. Here dr is equal to 2y dy e1 plus dy e2. And here f value is there, dr value is there. By taking dot product f dot dr, we get to 3y square into e1 plus 3y minus 4y square e2 into 2y dy e1 plus dy e2. By doing dot product, we get to 6y cube plus 3y minus 4y square. Here I am taking integration under the curve C2, f dot dr is equal to integration 1 to 0 6y cube plus 3y minus 4y square into dy. By doing the integration and substituting the limit value 1 to 0, we get to this one, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3. By calculating we get to the integration, the curve C2 f dot dr value is minus 5 by 3. Here the line integral of the given curve C1 and C2, that C1 C2 is equal to the curve C. Therefore the integration under the curve f dot dr is equal to integration C1 curve f dot dr plus integration under C2 f dot dr is equal to, here C1 value, integration C1 value, integration C2 value, we have 1 by 30 minus 5 by 30, 5 by 3, that is equal to minus 40 by 30, that is equal to minus 4 by 3. This is the line integral value. Thank you. Thanks.